If you don't have time to post on Instagram stories every day, I've got a solution for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to schedule your Instagram and even your Facebook stories ahead of time. I'm Joe Amato, and I help creators and business owners make better content so you can grow your audience and your business. And like I said, I'm gonna show you exactly how to schedule your Instagram stories in this video. First thing you're gonna wanna do is go to business.facebook.com, and that's gonna open up the Meta Business Suite. It's relatively new, I would say within the last year or so. This is what they have made the switch over to. You cannot do this in Creator Studio. You have to do it inside of the Business Suite. So business.facebook.com, make sure you have the right pages appearing here. And if they don't, you actually just come here to the left here and find the pages that you're looking to post for. So you're gonna click on Create Story. And then here you have the option to share it to your Facebook, your Instagram, or both of them. In this case, I'm gonna schedule it to both. And then you add media to your story. You can add a picture or a video. In my case, I'm gonna show you that I created this graphic inside of Canva that I'm just using as my Instagram story as it populates. So there, follow me on TikTok. So from here, you can add up to 10 images or videos. So if you have a story that you want to be sequential with, you just upload one at a time. All inside of here, you just add media to it and then select the order that you want them to display in. That's what it'll look like on Facebook. That's what it'll look like on Instagram. You can crop your image if you want, but you want these to be tall. You want them to fill up the whole screen, so I'm not gonna do that. If you wanna add text, you can add text in a variety of fonts right here. So if you wanna add something like, "Hi, I'm Joe," and we're gonna let's make that blue, and let's make the font that. I'm not crazy about it, but it is what it is. We're gonna click apply, and it should populate with that text there now. Right, there it is. And I'm gonna go back to the text because I don't wanna actually add that. But you can also add stickers. It's a little limited as far as what kind of stickers you can do. You know, you don't have the poll or the link or anything like that. But if you want to just add a little bit of flair to your post, you could certainly do that. And then the swipe up link. This will really only work if you're using it for Facebook, but because the Instagram link is not a swipe up anymore. This will actually create a swipe up link, which I honestly wouldn't mess with it too much on here. I would just stick to posting photos and videos with some stickers and some text. But once you have everything set up and ready to go, instead of coming down here and clicking share story, you click on a little drop down and then you schedule it for when you want it to go out. In my case, I'm gonna have it go out tonight. I'm recording on St. Patrick's Day, and I'm gonna have it go out at 7:53 p.m. Once I click save, everything looks good. On Facebook looks good, Instagram looks good. I'm gonna click schedule story. And once you do that, it is going to open up the planner, the calendar inside of Business Suite, which will show all of your posts that are going out or have gone out. Now, here they are. These are my two Instagram stories. And from here, you can either publish immediately, or if you want to make any changes or reschedule it for a different time, you can certainly do that, or you can delete it if you messed something up. But this is where you're going to go and find it. And if you want to look for it here on the left-hand side, you just click on planner and it brings up your content calendar. There it is, pretty easy on how to schedule your Instagram and Facebook stories. If you got value out of this, please leave me a like. And if you want more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.